Here's another cool idea. It's the 511 Scribe light. Whoa, look at those toes. This takes two of your favorite things, a flashlight and a pen, and puts them together. Let's say your father works night shift. How's he going to hold his light and his pen and his clipboard all with only two hands? He's not. Let's try this thing out real quick. Okay, I'm opening my Scribe light. It's like Christmas Day. This should do the trick. Probably don't want to face it this way. Hold on a second. That was hard. There's the 511 logo right there to show you that it's real. Watch this. That's not a real laugh. That's pretty awesome. Let's say father is out tending to the sheep in the pasture. He has to write something down like, how much does a sheep weigh? 75 kilograms? Let me write that down with my 511. Why would a farmer have a 511 pen? And why would he be writing down the weight of a sheep at night? I don't know. That's for you to figure out.